Ever wondered which is better for your kitchen wood or bamboo utensils? In this video, we'll break down the key differences so you can choose the best option for you. When it comes to durability, bamboo is known for its incredible strength. Did you know bamboo's tensile strength rivals steel? It can withstand more pressure than many types of wood, making it ideal for heavy use. Bamboo's unique composition allows it to bend without breaking, which is why it's often used in construction and furniture making. This flexibility, combined with its lightweight nature, makes bamboo a preferred material for various applications. Whether it's in the kitchen as utensils or in the garden as stakes, bamboo's resilience is unmatched. Additionally, bamboo's natural resistance to pests and moisture further enhances its durability. This means bamboo products last longer and require less maintenance compared to other materials. So next time you choose bamboo, remember you're opting for a material that combines strength, flexibility, and longevity. In terms of upkeep, bamboo utensils are easier to clean and maintain. Bamboo doesn't absorb moisture like wood, making it more resistant to stains and odors. Bamboo grows incredibly fast, up to 2.91 feet in a single day. This remarkable growth rate makes it one of the fastest growing plants on Earth. Not only does it grow quickly, but bamboo is also a highly sustainable option. After harvesting, it regenerates rapidly without the need for replanting, which significantly reduces the environmental impact. Additionally, bamboo forests play a crucial role in carbon sequestration, absorbing more carbon dioxide than many other types of trees. This makes bamboo an excellent choice for eco-friendly construction, furniture, and even clothing. By choosing bamboo products, we can contribute to a more sustainable future and help combat climate change. Another key difference is bamboo's flexibility. Bamboo can bend without breaking, while wood is more rigid and can splinter over time with frequent use. So which one should you choose? The decision between bamboo and wooden utensils can be quite a dilemma, especially for those who love spending time in the kitchen. Each material has its own set of benefits and unique characteristics that cater to different needs and preferences. If you're looking for something eco-friendly, easy to maintain, and incredibly durable, bamboo is the winner. Bamboo utensils are not only lightweight, but also resistant to stains and odors, making them a practical choice for everyday use. They are also biodegradable, which means they won't contribute to landfill waste. However, wood can still be a good option if you're after a more traditional feel. Wooden utensils have a timeless appeal and can add a rustic charm to your kitchen. They are often sturdier and can handle high heat without warping, making them ideal for cooking hearty meals. Whichever you choose, both have their own unique advantages. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your personal preferences and cooking habits. Whether you opt for the eco-friendliness of bamboo or the classic appeal of wood, both types of utensils can enhance your culinary experience. So take your pick and enjoy cooking with your chosen tools.